We are playing URA tomorrow after 10 days without a competitive game. We lost URA last season, but we made some changes this season. We think these changes will put up a good game tomorrow. As I've been telling you, that we are trying to build a team which will compete for the cup 2 to 1 season. And I think the players we have here, they can play. We shall try our levels to see that we get the points. I know we are playing URA, the team which has been playing on the continent. I know they are good now, but if you are to compete, you have to play such teams. We are unlucky. Simon Peter will not be available for tonight's game due to an injury. He got to 3 days back, and he has been one of the key players. But we have the replacements, so the game won't be easy. But as I've told you, we need to learn how to get the 3 points away.
Attack inside Okpa UFC. We got them like a break. Take out Kosizanga team. Positive. We break we are took. It was stopping them. We were down a friend isn't that we take a kabulunji. So Peter Gwencha never some banana to take a sebulunji. Yako kwa santo wachi. Tutekese bulungi nnyo okulanga tugenda mpira gwa URA enkyanga tusobola nga tuguwangula. Tukyama empiira ebiri egiwedde Gambara City ne Nondo Paraka ekigiwangulako Steve nga tebatuteebyemu. So n'olunaku lw'enkya nga ffe ttiimu tukkiriza mu kintu kyekimu tusobola okikola.
Look for blue, let's go! Langa! Look for blue! 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 Red! 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 Sprint back! Red! 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 Look for red! Let's go, blue! Push! Down the stop! Down the stop, good dog!